not sure.
No, you don't like it?
Yay!
You don't like the waters?
She wasn't making too many faces.
She loves the tub, so I thought she would like
Well,
it.
yeah, she likes the warm water. Did you like that?
So far, so good. She could be a swimmer.
Yep.
She could be a rower. Yeah.
Yeah, she don't seem to mind it, huh?
What is it?
Kaya. See, Mama?
You have a jet? Who's that? Somebody?
Kaya.